The road winds gently through the Macedon ranges, sunlight flickering through eucalyptus leaves. The air feels alive, crisp, full of the scent of wet bark and wattle bloom. Today, we've brought the shark up to the Sanatorium Lake picnic grounds, a place once known for its healing air and spring-fed waters. It's springtime now, and everything seems to hum with renewal. Birds weave songs through the trees, the lake glimmers through the forest, and the back of the shark is ready, all electric, clean, quiet. Our mobile kitchen in the bush. Today we're cooking two Thai classics. Pad Kee Mao, the fiery drunken noodles, full of heat, basil and soul, and Pad Krapao, the fragrant stir-fry of holly basil, garlic and chilli, the dish that smells like home in Thailand. Sanatorium Lake sits high on Mount Macedon. It was built more than a century ago, when people believed the mountain air could cure almost anything. They came here for the mist, the forest, and the feeling of breathing deeply again. Even now, you can sense that stillness, that quiet medicine of nature. The wattles are glowing gold, tiny bluebells and orchids push through the leaf litter. Every tree seems to be waking from winter's sleep. Spring here doesn't shout, it whispers. You can hear it in the hum of bees and the soft rustle of new leaves. And that's what we're cooking too, the rhythm of renewal. Oh, it looks good. The noodles look good. Have you had this brand before? I can hear you, little fella. That's not an invitation for you to come over here. I think he likes the flat noodles. This guy. We start with wild rice noodles, soft, silky, perfect for soaking up flavour. There's garlic, chilli, fresh Thai basil, and for this version, we're using pork. A little fish sauce and oyster sauce for depth. The shark's induction plate hums quietly. No smoke, no fuel, no noise, just pure power from the battery pack. The wok heats in seconds. Oil shimmers, garlic hits the pan, and instantly the forest smells like a Bangkok street corner. Then the chili follows, that sharp, heady sting that makes your eyes water in the best way. Pork goes in, it sizzles and caramelizes, the noodles slide in, sticky and tangled, and we toss them through the sauce. Dark soy for colour, light soy for salt, oyster sauce for umami, a little sugar to balance. Finally, a handful of holly basil leaves. They wilt and release that unmistakable aroma. Pad Kee Mao, born of chaos, balanced by instinct.
Jeebus. This is only the first course, so take it easy, cowboy. A picture.
As we cook, the forest around us seems to join in. Crimson rosellas flash through the branches. A kookaburra laughs somewhere down near the lake. Every sound becomes part of the rhythm, the spatula, the sizzle, the wind. Cooking outdoors like this always slows time. It's not just about the food, it's about being present. Every meal becomes a conversation with the place itself. This one tastes of spring, bright, spicy, alive.
Really nice, huh?
Tasty, isn't it?
Oh, spicy.
The pork's fresh.
Yeah, really good.
Yep.
Now, for Pad Krapao, the heartbeat of Thai street food. It starts the same, garlic and chili, crushed together, but this time the mix is more intense. We're using pork mince, though chicken or beef works too. Oil, then garlic and chili, again, that explosion of scent. The sound of the sizzle echoes through the trees. We add the pork, breaking it apart, letting it catch and brown. Then comes a splash of fish sauce, a dash of dark soy and a touch of sugar. Simple, honest, addictive. Finally, the holy basil. This time, more than before, it hits the heat and releases a perfume that's unmistakably Thai. Sweet, peppery, grounding. We top it with a fried egg, crisp edges, soft yolk. And suddenly, we're not just cooking in the bush, we're at a roadside stall somewhere in Isaan, surrounded by motorbikes and laughter.
This guy's calling out.
Cooking from the back of a shark always reminds us how far we've come, how clean energy doesn't have to mean compromise. No gas, no fumes, no noise, just the sound of the forest and the crackle of the wok. The shark's tailgate becomes our kitchen counter. Everything folds out perfectly. Battery power, induction heat, lights. It's modern, but it connects us back to something ancient. That same instinct to gather, cook, and share food outdoors.
It's good. It has to be crispy from Pad Krapao, doesn't it?
We sit by the picnic table under the tall gums, the plates steaming in front of us. The forest around Sanatorium Lake becomes our dining room. Every bite tastes richer here. The air, the light, the calm. It all adds something. Yen smiles. That's always the sign it's right. The basil cuts through the spice. The noodles stick just enough. The egg yolk drips into the rice. It's simple food, but it carries everything. home, memory, and the joy of making something with your own hands.
Actually, very good stuff.
Mm.
More? A little bit more?
You're cooking it. I don't mind. You cook it the way you want. I know you like it golden on the outside. Oh, bit of shell went in there. This guy likes the eggs. Look, here he comes again. What now? What now? Hey? What do you want?
The baby one,
The rice spoon's over here.
spoon.
I don't think I need a spoon.
Where the rice spoon?
It's on the table.
Oh, there. One, two.
Two.
What happened? My place so well.
As the day fades, the light turns golden through the trees.
So
The lake mirrors the sky, and the forest breathes in quiet harmony. 2 dishes, 1 electric car, and 1,000 memories made. Cooking like this reminds us the best meals are never just about taste. They're about where you are,
Not too much for
who
me.
you're with, and what you bring to the moment.
And oh, I forgot to do pig a little bit thing, hun. One more. I need a little bit.
Do we need it?
Pig. No, just for the thing. That's what I need. Two spoon for me again, Dick.
Yeah, you've earned it.
Was spring cooking at Sanatorium Lake.
Huh?
Looks good.
No water.
Nice and crunchy looking.
Another good one again, huh? Really good.